In today's drive towards sustainability, optimizing solar power systems is essential. Introducing Helios, your ultimate tool for real-time monitoring, forecasting, and actionable insights. Helios brings everything you need onto one platform, from live data streams and inverter output analysis to performance metrics. The dashboard is your all-in-one control center. Monitor key metrics like global horizontal irradiance, AC/DC power, and module temperatures in real time to stay ahead of system performance. Get accurate forecasts for energy generation and compare actual versus predicted values to close performance gaps. Analyze system efficiency with metrics like performance ratio and capacity factor to optimize solar installations. The Upload and Forecast page lets you take control in 4 steps. 1. Download sample formats for structured data. 2. Upload weather data to generate forecasts. 3. Compare actual inverter data with predictions using visual graphs. 4. Download results for offline analysis. Stay proactive with customizable notifications. Set ranges for key parameters like AC power or module temperature and receive real-time alerts when metrics exceed limits. All alerts are logged for your reference, ensuring you never miss a critical event. Whether you're managing a rooftop installation or a large solar farm, Helios helps you improve accuracy, optimize performance, and reduce operational costs. Take control of your solar power systems with Helios. To get started today,